Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at A major. So there's a couple different ways that you can start playing this chord. The chord configuration is you still don't play the thickest E string. You start with the 5th string, or the A string right here. The 2nd thickest. No fingers on there. We put our pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, middle finger, 2nd fret of the G, and then we put our ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B. And we play those 5 strings down. Another way you can take a look at this is if you've been playing guitar for a little bit, you might be able to just cover up those 3 frets on the 2nd fret, those 3 strings right there. You can cover it up with 1 finger. I use my pointer finger to cover those 3, and then play the A string open. And there you go. You're playing an A. So from A minor to A, the difference is we're moving up the B string. We're moving that. A minor used to be pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B, that made A minor. To make it A major, we're moving that to the 2nd fret of the B. So everything's on the same plane there. So give it a shot and let me know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe on the video, and stay up to date with the channel by just kind of taking a look at it every so often. Have a great day.